1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then swing your arms out. Forward. Too close. Too close to speak. So swing out to the right, then to the left, and that's going to be 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the next count, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going to go up with our right hand. 5, 6, 7. Come down. Then walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I want you to go into this really strong pose, like pretend you're a warrior. No one's going to be able to push you down in this pose, right? So really, really strong. And then you say, ah. Oh my gosh, excellent. Great. Yes, so that's the very first part of the song. Let's do it from the beginning again. So you're ready for your pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha! Beautiful. Great job, everybody. So I'm going to move on to the next part. This part is the most exciting part of the song. So we're going to pick up fish from the left side for 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So pick up. All good. So we pick up the fish from the left side, and then we throw it over our shoulder. Yeah. And we do that to the other side. Pick up on the right, throw it over your shoulder. Awesome. So we're doing that for 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, step forward and click and let it go. Yeah. So that's 5, 6. And then all you do is extend your left arm up. 7, 8. Let's show them one more time, Carol. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Perfect. The next move, you're going to bring your hands to your chest. 1, 2, and your head goes up. 3, your head goes down. So on and, your hand goes up. On 3, it goes down. Perfect. It looks so dramatic when you do it faster. I promise you it will look faster. So let's do it from the beginning there. The beginning of this sequence. So ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And next is 5, 6, 7, 8. Have fun with it. You can let your nautical go so you can hear it. Yeah. So let's do that sequence again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Do you guys know like half of them? Congratulations. Yeah! So here's the trick. Now that you guys know that sequence, you're going to do it twice. And that's the chorus. Alright, so let's try it. I'm going to try it starting slow, and then let's dance faster after this, yeah?
There's also a path here.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome! You guys are ready to dance as well. Beautiful. So, what happens after